Hello everyone, I am Beaver. I am a unicorn in the metal sawing and processing industry. This is my baby. It is a special machine. It is specialized in cutting aluminum. It has a wide range of applications. It exists in factories all over the world, and it is indispensable for the cutting and processing of parts of any mechanical equipment. I am Beaver. I am a unicorn in the metal processing industry. I have many babies, and they all have special skills. Who is my next baby? Where will he travel and adventure? What are his characteristics? What can he do? And in which country will he work? I will tell you as soon as possible.